Hello, welcome back once again. In today's session, we are going to learn last superglobal variable underscore server. Server superglobal variable is used to store system related information like headers, paths, and script locations. As you can see over here, underscore super global variable server is having many predefined macros like php underscore self, server name, host name, referrer, user agent, script name. It is having many more inbuilt variables which you can found on W3 schools like php underscore self, which returns the file name currently executing the PHP script. That means right now your page which is having this declaration is returned by this particular value. Gateway interfaces, server address, server name, software, protocol, etc. Many super global variable server is having. Likewise, many super global variable macro preprocessor server is having. It is inbuilt and you can use different server variables in subsequent PHP programs. It is there in your PHP projects that many a times you will need this kind of variable. Let us take an example of some super global variables. Let us see the code first. I have used super global variable remote addr, remote address, http host, and http user agent and print the same using these variables. So the output is like this. This is the remote address, server address, and user agent, whatever I am using over here. If I want to print the web page, then I can directly use super global variable underscore server and php underscore self. I had used the variable over here. That means directly I am not using the super variables over here, but in this case I have directly used the super global variables. So let's rerun. So you can see that in lecture 2, 7 dot super global variable directory, and inside that server dot php file. So self is returning the current directory or current page of execution. We can cross verify it over here also. The server.php file is lies in global variable, which lies in lecture underscore 2 folder. Lecture So lecture underscore 2 holds global variable, holds server.php. So same is written over here. So that's it. In today's lecture, we almost completed all the super global variables that we are going to cover inside our syllabus, starting from get to last dollar underscore server. In next session, we are going to start PHP with MySQL. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next session. Thank you.